Assalamu alaikum. So in this video, I will discuss about the chemical species. Chemical species is a chemical entity. And what do you mean by the chemical entity? Chemical entity is any substance that have chemical compositions like particular atom, ion or molecule. For example, the molecule of H2O is a molecule. So it is a chemical entity. If one molecule is identical to the another, we say that they are of same chemical species. Now, ions is one of the example of chemical species. Is one of the type of chemical species is ions. What are ions? Ions is an atom or a group of atoms having charge on it that may be positive or negative. If the ion have positive charge means they are cation, and if it have negative charge so means the ions are anions. The cations are formed when atom loses electron from its outermost shell. For example, the sodium and potassium. Sodium Na, potassium K have positive charge on them and they are cation. For example, C. Sodium C. The sodium. The example is of sodium. If in this from its outermost shell, it removes one electron. It removes one electron. So on the sodium atom, positive charge comes that is known as cation. The positive charge in any atom, on any molecule or an atom or any substance is called cation. So in the sodium atom, one electron from its outermost shell loses and form cation. Now coming on to the anion. Anion means negative charge. Anion means negative charge. So an atom or a group of atoms that have negative charge on it is called anion. Anion is formed by gain or addition of electron to an atom by gain. See, gain. For example, we take the example of this. See the example, chlorine gains in its outermost shell, it gains electron from the other atom and becomes negative. We can take example from that if we take on a credit, it means that अगर हम किसी रिश्वत लेते हैं तो नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. So this negative impact पड़ता है. So same example goes over here that chlorine take another molecule's atom to complete its outermost shell and become negative. So it means that it is negatively charged. So any ion or atom that are negatively charged, they are called anion. If we take an example of water in which the salt is dissolved, so salt is NaCl. So Na form positively charged and chlorine becomes negatively charged, means that sodium gives its electron to chlorine and they are broken down into their specific ions, means sodium form cation and chlorine becomes anion. So in this way the salt is dissolved in water. Now the second definition, the second example of chemical species is that a molecular ion. When a molecule loses or gain electron called molecular ion, same as ions but they are atoms. Now in the molecular ions, molecules are present. Molecular ions also possess positive and negatively charged like any ions. If it has negatively charged, known as an ionic molecular ion. See, same as ions, negative ions were anions, but negative charged molecular ions are anionic molecular ion. If they are positive charge, then cationic molecular ion. For example, methane. See the example of methane. If in methane has 4 hydrogen. If one hydrogen is if one hydrogen is shifted to another, if CH4 gives one molecule, one atom of hydrogen to any other molecule, so it form negatively charged, it form positively charged, and cationic molecular ion are formed. Now the another type is free radical. What are free radical? If an atom or the groups of atom have number of unpaired electrons, see in the example chlorine. Chlorine are mutually shared. So they have same number of atom in its outermost shell. So the one, it is broken down and gives its one and share one atom to this, one atom to this, and one atom to this. So the sharing of the unpaired, the sharing, they have unpaired electrons, so they share, they are shifted, and it is represented by one dot. For example, H, hydrogen dot, they are represented by dot, chlorine dot, and HCC dot. Free radicals are formed when hemolytic bondage. This type of bondage is called hemolytic bondage. When this bond is broken, when this bond is broken and give its one electron to this chlorine and another to this chlorine, so there are unpaired. See, this one electron is unpaired. So in this type of example, hemolytic cleavage is done. So the dot on chlorine, this type of reactions or this type of bondings of electrons are called free radicals. Now the molecules and their types. What are molecules? As I have discussed previously, that molecules are formed by an elements or the compound, by the elements, by the combination of more than one elements or the atoms, and chemical bond is by the chemical bond. Molecule is a chemical combination of atom. Molecule is the smallest unit of the substance. Molecule shows the property of a substance. See, same thing I have discussed, that molecules are the chemical composition of atoms and they are the smallest, and they show the property of a substance. They are exist in these 6 forms. First is monoatomic molecule, means mono means one, so molecule consists of one atom. Example, helium, neon, or argon. Diatomic means 2 atom. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, and chlorine. Triatomic molecule are having 3 atoms. Example, H2O and CO2. They have 3 molecules. Polyatomic molecules are the molecules that have many atoms. Example, CH4, C2HO4. They have many. Homoatomic means same. Molecule consists of same type of atoms. For example, H2, O3, P4, and S8. They have same atoms. Now heteromolecule consists of different type of atom. Example, CO2, H2, and NH3. So these are the some types of molecules. Now here is one question, that identify cation, anion, free radical, molecular ion, and molecule from the following. So what is O2? O2 is diatomic molecule. Atomic molecule is diatomic molecule. And what is H minus? Now solve this question, that identify the cation, anion, free radical, molecular ion, molecule from the following. So the first, O2. Guess what is the O2? What is O2? Either the molecular ion, molecule, free radical, or
anion. So the answer is diatomic molecule. O2 is diatomic molecule. Now second is H minus. It has negative charge. So it means that this negative charge, so it is anion. It is anion. N2, Cl2, H2, these all are diatomic molecule. CO3 2 minus. CO3 2 minus is anion. H2O. What is H2O? Is triatomic. It is triatomic molecule having 3 molecules, H2 and 1 molecule of oxygen. So it is triatomic molecule. Now Br, if it is Br dot, so it is free radical. If it is Br2, so it is diatomic molecule. Now H3C dot is free radical. Cl2 is also a free radical also if chlorine have dot on it. Cl2 dot, so means that it is free radical, but it has no dot on it, so that means that it is diatomic molecule. And Na plus means that it is a cation. So this is all the examples related to cation, anion, free radical and molecular ion. Hope you like the video and subscribe my channel.